In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Notion. If you're collaborating with people outside your main workspace, like contractors, clients, or partners, adding them as guests is a simple way to share exactly what they need without giving them full access. Guests can view, comment, or edit only the pages you allow, which keeps your workspace secure and tidy. Let's get started. First, open Notion and look to the left-hand side of your screen. In the left pane, click on Settings. This is your control center for workspace preferences, permissions, and who has access. Inside Settings, navigate to the People section. This is where you manage everyone who can access your workspace, and it's also where Notion separates members from guests. Think of members as people inside your organization, while guests are collaborators you invite in for specific pages or projects. Next, go to the Guests tab. This tab is dedicated to managing anyone you invite as a guest. From here, you can start adding guests and keep track of who already has access. It's a good spot to review and adjust access later if needed. You have two easy ways to add guests. The first is to import contacts from services you already use, like Slack, Google, or Microsoft. If you choose this route, Notion will guide you to connect the account and pick the contacts you want to bring in. Choose only the people who need access, and double-check that you're importing the right contacts to keep things organized and secure. The second option is to click Add Members at the top right. In the window that appears, enter the names and email addresses of the people you want to invite. As you add each person, you'll also select their role. Pick a role that matches what they need to do, whether that's just viewing, leaving comments, or making edits. Keeping roles as limited as possible helps maintain clarity and control over your workspace. Once you've added your guests, Notion takes care of the invitations behind the scenes. You'll see the new guests listed in the Guests tab, which makes it easy to confirm they've been added. From here, you can revisit this tab anytime to review who has access and adjust roles as projects evolve. And there you go. That's all it takes to add guests in Notion. Open Settings, head to People, switch to the Guests tab, and either import contacts or add them manually with the right role. With these steps, you can collaborate smoothly while keeping your workspace secure and organized.